In this video, I just want to show you parts of a program. And so we're looking right here at the simple program, what they talk about in your book. And if you look right now, first off, you'll see a class called simple. And what that is the name of the class that this program is in. We'll talk about classes later on in the course. Just take it for granted now, every piece of program that you write has to go into a class. Public means it's accessible anywhere. So anyway, here's our public class simple. Right here we have public static void main. Main is the name of our program or method. Main is where all programs start. So anytime you have a Java program, it's going to look for your main method and start the program there. Public again means it's accessible anywhere. Static we'll talk about in a little while. Void means it returns nothing. And so the program starts with a curly brace and ends in a curly brace. So here's our two curly braces. And right here it says system.out.println. Basically it says, okay, print to the terminal whatever's in parentheses. So we have a parenthesis here, double quotes, and also it's in double quotes. Programming is great fun, double quotes. And every line in Java ends with a semicolon. Every executable line, I should say, ends into the semicolon. So again, here we have public class simple. I should also mention that the class begins with a curly brace and ends with the curly brace. So everything between these two curly braces are in the class simple. Everything within these two curly braces are under the method main. So, and if we run it, we just hit run here, run project, and there it is. Programming is great fun. Now, one of the things they show you in the slides and in the book, they talk about a command line. And everything we're going to be doing is within NetBeans, but just to give you an example of the command line, let me get out of this, bring up the command line. My program is stored under G, on the G file, itdev110 Java, NetBeans projects, simple build classes. If I do a dir, this is the command line. It tells me everything is within here, and here is my simple program. So to run it, I say Java simple. This is the name of the class. This is the name of the program. Hit return. Java says run it. And there it is. Programming is great fun. Again, this is just the command line. We won't be using this too much. I just want to show you that it does work. And if I go in here, here's my G file, itdev10, NetBeans projects, and look for simple. Let's see, simple right here. And I went under build, classes, simple, and there's my simple class. And if I hit that, you won't be able to read it because it's an executable. But if I did go to source simple.java, there's the executable that I had. This is a simple Java program. System out print line. One of the things I should also comment, 2 forward slashes means a comment. A comment is totally ignored by the compiler. You can put anything you want in there. I can also comment with a \1 star, and everything after that is taken as a comment till I end it with a star, I should say /star, then a star /. So that's also a comment. And here's comments they're using for web HTML type comments. So anyway, here's the notepad for Java. Here's one I was talking about, /star. Everything here is a comment till I do star /, then it stops the comments. So this is a kind of a simple program. Again, we can run it either through the command line, or we can run it using the NetBeans. And like I said, the parts are, every method you write has to be in a class. As you notice, my name of my file was simple, and so the class is called simple. I start with main, that's where every program in Java starts. 2 forward slashes is a comment. Curly braces, everything within the curly braces in this class, everything within these 2 curly braces was within the method. And again, whatever I want to put here is going to be executed by the compiler, or by the program, by the processor. And that's about it. Any questions, again, send me an email. Thank you.